Naghahanap ba ng affordable house and lot sa Cavite? For close property na, BDO pa ang seller. Ito na ang chance mo to own a home for less. Located in Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. Isa sa pinakamalaking township developments sa South. Malapit sa schools, malls, wet and dry market, public transport at higit sa lahat, secured and family-friendly community. This is a Soapy Inner Lot. Lot area 80 square meter, floor area 52 square meter, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. Starting bidding price, 2,792,200 only. Grabe, bihira ka na lang makakita ng ganitong presyo sa Lancaster ngayon. As is where is basis. Ibig sabihin po, what you see is what you get. Pero don't worry, we'll assist you with house viewing para makita nyo mismo ang unit before you decide. 10% lang ang down payment, tapos 50,000 reservation fee, 90% bank financing via BDO. Pwede ka rin magbayad ng cash, PDC or manager's check. Note, bank fees and transfer of title not yet included sa price. Bidding date is on August 11, 2025. So if interesado ka, act fast dahil hindi ka lang ang naghahanap ng sulit na deal na ganito. We offer free house tour assistance and guidance on how to join the bidding. Hassle-free and legit. With PRC accredited real estate salesperson. Message us now before someone else grabs this deal.